Welcome to Spydur Technologies. My name is Jason, and today I'd like to give you a quick rundown on Htek's UC900 series of telephones, including their newly updated U versions. I think you'll find that these are pretty well-rounded line of telephones with some abilities I think you're going to appreciate. First up, you have the large 10-button 926, the 8-button 924, and then the 6-button 923U telephones. All of these telephones come with gigabit Ethernet and color screens. These telephones will do everything that you expect, such as BLF extension monitoring with integrated direct call pickup, centralized contact directory, prefix keys, which I know are always popular, and feature synchronization. The UC926U additionally has built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, which can be quite handy for both using those Bluetooth headsets and negating the need for any cable drops with wireless networking. In fact, you can see here I have no Ethernet cable plugged in at all, only a simple power adapter. All of these telephones can be extended with up to 6 UC46 color expansion modules, and each one of these has 20 buttons and 2 pages, giving a maximum of 240 programmable buttons if you want to stack them, for those that really want to join the Mile Long Club. And you can set the background on all of these color telephones with your or your customer's own branding, which is nice. I know customers always really appreciate seeing their logo in full color on the screen, especially if you think of showrooms and so forth. And speaking of branding, we're excited to be partnered up with Htek to provide branding on the telephone's plastic itself to all of our partners. And this is especially good for interconnects and networking solutions providers representing themselves in a local market. It really is quite simple. There is no need to pop off faceplates or anything like that. Just supply us with your logo or name, and we'll ship these telephones to you already branded using these tabs that go right here at the top of the phone. This means every single telephone that you install can now be put out with your logo right in the plastic itself. When a user is asked who supplies their service, they can simply look down at their telephone and see your name front and center. Next up are the very small footprint 4-button 921G, which is also gigabit, and the 2-button 902 SP, and this one here is fast Ethernet. Their small footprint is especially great, especially when desk space is a concern. And to give you a better idea, I have a second 926 and 921 with their foot stands taken off. And you can see that they really are significantly smaller than their larger brothers. And the programming is identical. Okay? One final note is that all of these new Htek telephones come with a 2-year warranty instead of the 1 year you would typically get from other manufacturers. They're solid, they're well built, and I think the extra warranty is a great thing. If I had to pick a favorite, I would probably alternate between the tiny footprint of the UC921G and the larger color display and button count of the UC926Us, just because I like pretty phones. But at the end of the day, if you like having a color display but don't need all the extra buttons for various positions, you can certainly get away with the smaller 923 or 924 and save some money in the process. Different phones for different people. If you're an interconnect or a network solutions provider and looking for branding options directly in the plastic itself, then these telephones are definitely the ones that you're going to want to go with. In any event, if these Htek telephones are of interest to you and looks like something that you'd really appreciate, please give us a contact and let us help you out. Thank you.
Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications of new videos. Thank you from all of us at Spydur Technologies.